Hey guys, I hope that you're doing well. My name is Selim Shaimi, and for 1 year, I'm doing one YouTube video per day related to SMMA, business, sales, negotiations. So I want to provide a lot of value for you guys, and I'm trying to improve the quality of the videos, like the recording, the lighting, like everything, so that I'm not just throwing content, but actually I'm providing videos that are also entertaining. I don't want you guys to be bored, but yeah. So if you're not subscribed to my YouTube, please do so. Please like this video, and basically, if you have any questions, you can go on my Instagram. On the stories, I'm doing some polls where you can ask me any questions, and I might do a video about it. During the following week. So yeah, I hope that you will enjoy this video. This video will be about how to find leads for like how to find e-commerce leads for your SMMA, right? So if you are in the e-commerce niche, if you are targeting e-commerce businesses, and you want to do their SEO, you want to do their paid traffic, you want to do their content management, how to find the leads. So how to find the numbers, how to find the emails. I'm going to show you all of this in this video. So let's get right into it. All right, guys. So as you can see, the tool that I'm using for my own agency is D7 Lead Finder. So I love D7 Lead Finder, and I'm going to show you how to use it to generate leads for your agency. So as you can see, we have to enter a keywords, right? And we have also to enter a city. I tried some of them, so I'm currently targeting only France for my own agency. I have Paris, I have Lyon, and France is really good for me because I'm born in France, and there are not so much competition in France at the moment. Giving you some tips. So choose a keyword. What I recommend for the keyword, if you are targeting e-commerce businesses, is you see I'm putting like keywords related to e-commerce. So for example, beauty store. All right, beauty store. If I put beauty store, I will find e-commerce businesses. But what I love to do is I love to go on Amazon, and I put like Amazon categories, right? And then I have a bunch of ideas for sub niches in e-commerce, right? Because what's SMMA, the profitable thing right now is to build an e-commerce agency, right? Doing, for example, pay traffic for e-commerce, doing SEO for e-commerce businesses, right? And this is my niche, right? And this is how I get ideas. So for example, football, like let's let's do it. Let's do golf. All right, let's do golf. Golf is great. So for example, what I will do is golf store. All right, then choose a city. We are going to choose London, but you can put any city, right? SMMA, the best thing with SMMA is that it's working like everywhere in the world. So no matter what your city, you can put any city. So I'm going to put London. Fetch data. Now we are going to wait a little bit. All right. So we are waiting because it's basically scraping all the data from Google. So it's scraping the email, the phone number, the website, just everything. All right. And this tool, like it's like $26 per month, right? It's nothing. And honestly, I'm just using it every single month because I want to add contacts in my CRM, so I have more and more opportunities. You don't want to rely just on one opportunity. I see a lot of people, their CRM is like so empty. It's like you have five deals. What do you want to do with 5 deals, right? So the thing is that what you want your CRM to be so full that you will have different stages. So you will have meetings, you will have contracts awaiting, you will have a deal closed, but you want to have so much opportunity. And that's why I love D7 Lead Finder, is because it allows me to to get a lot of opportunity and to realize how big the market is. That's why I'm doing this video, guys, is because there are so much businesses out there that need digital marketing and they don't know how to do it. All right, even big company, even they can even have a marketing team. Their marketing can suck actually, And so that's why we need a lot of agencies, e-commerce agencies that provide help for e-commerce. Now you're not necessarily have to do paid traffic. Maybe you want to do SEO. Maybe you want to do content management. Maybe you want to do TikTok ads. Maybe you want to do Snapchat ads. All right. So you need to figure out what's the best for your agency and what you actually want to be doing and what you love to do. So yeah, we have you know, as they say in D7, you can go grab some coffee right now. I'm going to wait because I want to show you the real process and what I'm actually doing to get to get my clients, right? So, and look, if you look there, why the wait? It takes around 2 to 3 minutes to process an entire data set for your report. This involves processing around 70,000 different pieces of data from hundreds of sources. And guys, the data is really good. All right, it abandons bad data, duplicated data. So this is really nice. Quality versus quantity. This is really important. Like before sending your emails, so you will have the emails. You can send emails, right? You will have the emails. So I advise all users to focus on quality and try and make the emails as human as possible. So with emails, the thing is that you want to personalize them. So you want to take the time for, actually, you can have a template, right? But you want that template to be to be personalized to the person, right? That she feels, oh, it's not just a copy paste, right? This person took the time for me to write the email for me. So I would always go for a quantity. I'm not interested in having a list of 6,000 businesses that aren't qualified and that don't have any money. I want all the business that I send, that I outreach, I want them to be qualified. And then we are going on a meeting and I see if they are really qualified to do business with me. Okay, so it will not take that long now. So yeah, guys, as I told you, I'm doing a big challenge for 2020, and I hope that it will help a lot of you guys. I know it's not, it's hard to start an agency. Like, when I started, it was complicated because you have a lot of people telling you what you can do, right? Even some people sending you dreams, like, you can make that much with your agency, and sometimes all you have to do is actually to try it yourself, right? To try, like, you will have failures, you will do some errors, and that's absolutely okay. Now, I don't want to sell you dreams. It's very hard. You're building a business, so of course it won't be easy, right? So yeah, that's what I want to be telling you. So now, okay, it's done. So I'm going to show you right now, for example, let's say Capital Golf of London. So I'm going on their website, all right? And now I have an e-commerce store, right? So I just, like, this is a process that I'm using for my own agency. So as you can see, they have a pixel currently. So you need to look, is it a good e-commerce website? Is it converting, in your opinion? All right, this seems great. I love it. All right, so after you have the contact, all right, if you dig, you can find the email of the owner. There are a lot of tools to find emails. You can find the LinkedIn, all right? You can send a LinkedIn connection. You can find the phone number. You see, I can see the Facebook, and I can see their ads in their Facebook ads library. And so that's how you find an e-commerce store for your SMMA. That's how you find leads, all right? Using the D7 Lead Finder. Alright guys, so I hope that you liked this video. Again, this was really short, but I really wanted to show you how I'm doing for my agency. And yeah, this is that's about it for this video. Now I will put an affiliate link for D7 Lead Finder in the description. So if you are interested in buying this tool, you can pass via my affiliate link. So I touch 20%, it's a win-win for both of us, and you touch 10% discount. So yeah, I hope it can help. I'm using D7 Lead Finder every single day, and what I'm doing for my own agency, I want to teach it for you guys, but I will never teach something that I'm not doing. All right. So I hope that you like this video, and I will see you guys in another one.